Hello friends, welcome back to extra room for all of this. But I do think I'm gonna be trying that. The battery doesn't appear to have a removable cable. I'm sure some Apple store has some tool to remove the cable whenever they need to replace it. But what it does have is a USB-C port on the side. So if I ever want to just plug the headset straight into the wall. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is the Zeiss lenses. If you happen to wear glasses or have a prescription, you will be able to use this headset as well with that prescription with a $100 pair of Zeiss lenses. I think it's $100 for readers and $150 for prescription lenses. But either way, they're really quite small and they're magnetic. The display is quite clear. It's like you are wearing a mobile phone. Everything is on your fingertips and without holding any accessory in your hand. You can move your menus wherever you want and you can stick them on any wall in your room. You can open and stick multiple applications and stick them all over your room. You can use any application conveniently. So guys, what do you think about Apple Vision Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ding the bell icon so you can get every latest video from the tech world. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.